Hey guys, pretty bearish day today. So we had that pretty decent morning pop, and that really just resulted in a sell-off after that. Pretty much after about really 11:45, we just had a nice sell-off. We even hit extreme bear momentum for a little while there. So I'm seeing this nice pattern develop here. Call it a head and shoulders if you want, and whatever you want to call it. But basically what I'm seeing is that we rejected this resistance, which I've been talking about since it happened, and really since here when we were bouncing, that this 375 to 378 resistance. And I said once we break through this 368.2 now area, that I would be looking more bearish. This pattern shows that we are going to come down and retest this 356.5 level. If we break through 356.5 and close a daily candle below this level, I'm going to be looking for the 340s. That will obviously most likely come next week though, but I am looking for a bearish close to the week. Key support really is going to be this 364 here, and then from there we're looking at 356.5. There is this phantom print right here at this 357 level from Monday that we'll keep an eye on. That could fill tomorrow, so I'll be watching that closely. That's the last phantom print out there right now. Looking at futures, I mentioned this 3680 level was really key, and we did close our candle below it. So we are looking more bearish. We're below the daily 8 EMA here. We rejected the 20 EMA again, and we're forming the same pattern here, this head and shoulder. So my target is going to remain 35.85 for futures. Through there, if we break through that, then I'll be looking for the 3400s next week. Something to keep in mind, and I'll talk about it more in the weekly video tomorrow, is that next week is FOMOC meeting, or the week before FOMOC, and the rate hike, and 5 out of the 6 last weeks before FOMOC have been about a 3 to 5% sell-off. So I'm going to be looking for a red week next week, just statistically speaking. Looking at Apple, Apple put in a really nice hammer candle right here with this huge 20 EMA rejection. I would like to see it close below the daily 8 EMA, but I suspect that will break down tomorrow. We have this V bottom still kind of forming here. You can see the similar-ish pattern, but it's not as nicely because of this candle right here and really this one. But my target is going to remain 138.2 for Apple by next week. From there, we could be seeing the 120s, 130s. It just kind of depends on what earnings does next week. If earnings miss, then I think we're going to see finally Apple put in a new 52-week low. So Tesla had that earnings beat, but miss on revenue and guidance and everything. It had a really big sell-off at open, and it had a hard bounce off 202, which was a new 52-week low for it. It actually showed a lot of strength to the point that I was thinking maybe it would be a head fake and we would actually see a pop on Tesla. I was patient though, and we had a nice 215 rejection, and then from there it pretty much started selling off. I wish I would have got in at 215. And seen more of a rejection and played that downside to 205, but I played from about 210 I think it was to 205 on some puts today. With this 8 EMA rejection here and breakthrough in this bear channel, my target remains the 170s for Tesla for next week, as long as we're in this bear channel. The VIX is interesting to me still. I was saying it looks like a kind of bull flagging, which we could be right here, and right here. It could be the moment that we're in, where we're about to pop. But the VIX actually kind of unwound today, even with SPY being down almost 1%. So that's kind of something interesting to keep an eye on. Old Snap here is getting absolutely obliterated. So that'll be interesting to see how like Meta and all like Microsoft and everybody like that kind of prices stuff in tomorrow with another big miss on earnings. So, all right, I hope you guys had a good day today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the weekly video. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. I am providing my Discord link right here. That's a lifetime link. If it doesn't work, go ahead and send me a message and I will get you a new link. I do have a pre-market update I do every day where I update with supports and resistances and different scenarios that might play out through the day. I also do a live commentary throughout the day with updates and changes, and I do push out buy and sell alerts on SPY and other tickers that I'm trading at the time. Currently, membership is $20 per month or $228 per year. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok under SPY Optionaire, or Reddit under Daddy Dirch.